Hey guys, come on in.
Welcome.
Today we're going to put in a pantry door in our kitchen, and instead of going to the store and buying a pantry door that already has the frosting and the cool pantry vinyl on the front, we're going to show you a more affordable way than simply purchasing it.
So to get started, we're going to remove this door. So we're prepping this door to get ready for the frosted glass spray paint that we're going to do to it. All right, we just finished up the frosted glass application. Might do some touch up here and there, but it looks pretty good. Took some measurements from inside. We need to do a little trimming on the door to make sure we have proper fit. Take a little bit off the bottom. Got it all measured out, marked out, and then we're gonna make the cut. And should fit up nicely. Now we're gonna move on, take the hinges off, and we're gonna make the hinges match the handle.
We finished installing our pantry door. We used the slab to complete this process and gave you some tips on how to install the slab and also some tips for pre-hung doors as well.
Really like the way it turned out. Had a few hiccups along the way, but nothing we couldn't handle. Moving on to the next project.
If you want to see what our next project will be, follow us on Bargain Outlet's Surplus Warehouse in Barton's Lumber.